What happened to Laeddis?
He burned down a schoolhouse, killed 2 people. Said voices told him to do it. First he went to prison, then he got transferred here.
Then what?
Then nothing. He vanished like he never existed. No record whatsoever.
Your name is Andrew Laeddis. The 67th patient at Ashcliffe is you, Andrew. You reset, Andrew. Like a tape playing over and over on an endless loop. I hope that what we've done here will be enough to stop it from ever happening again, but I need to know you've accepted reality.
What's our next move? You tell me. Gotta get off this rock, Chuck. Back to the mainland, whatever the hell's going on here. It's bad.